Hey Brandon, how's it going at the SFC?
Hey, going really well. Another day, some challenges here and there, but it's going really well here.
Cool. So I wanted to call you and ask. I've been hearing a lot about our new event fulfillment capabilities, but I'm a bit confused, right? So we've always been able to store and ship swag to and from events for our customers. So what's the big deal?
Yeah, sure. So absolutely, we've always been able to store stuff. And this kind of goes back about 4.5 months is where we were, identified an opportunity for us in expanding our offering and event sending in general.
Hmm.
One of those things being able to store actual event equipment, right? So talking tables, booths, banners, etc. That wasn't something that we were necessarily offering, and we understand that can help differentiate us from some of our other competitors. So we work very diligently to understand the logistics of how we can manage this to benefit us as well as the customer, and really leaned in here. So basically, we've created a bunch of space in our SFC that is moved out from where all of our other inventory is. So there's good visibility, and we're storing a lot of these items here for our customers. And what it looks like, right, is they place an order, they need their event set up, and we will get that over to them, basically upon request, as well as return and re-inventory.
Wait, that's actually really cool. So field marketers aren't going to have to store this stuff in their closet in their garage. They're not going to have to go rent some storage unit anymore, it sounds like.
Yep, you hit it right on the head. So, and that's one of the biggest use cases, and where we found that we could accommodate this, is eliminate that need, take some of the heavy lifting and logistics from them, and just really make this a user friendly process.
Yeah, I mean, it sounds like it's not just gonna potentially save them money, right? But as you said, that logistical headache is now alleviated, right? The return shipping, the ease of receiving it back to the warehouse and ensuring that everything is getting to the right place at the right time so that field marketers can focus on what's important to them, right? Like driving event registrations, creating value for their attendees, all of that important stuff versus the background logistics. So that's really cool.
Yeah, absolutely. Our goal here is to make it as user friendly as possible, and as you mentioned, just really allow them to focus on what they can, and then we deliver on behalf of getting the stuff to them, as well as from them should they need to return anything.
That's amazing. Can you show me what the area and the SFC looks like for all of this?
Sure.
What y'all have done?
Yeah. So I'm gonna kind of pan out. What we have here is a lot of our items. So behind me, you'll see some of the inventory that's going to be handed out for one of our customers, as well as these would be our kits. So you can see it's a rather large crate, but we do have it stored here on our floor. And what that is just everything that they need in total package. Once they create that order for this specific SKU, we will pick that and get that sent out to its final destination, and allow them to set up. And then, of course, once they finish their events, trade show, what have you, they'll be able to return that back to us, and we'll re-inventory for the next one.
That's so cool. Well, thank you so much for breaking this down for me. I think that this is going to make our customers' lives a lot easier. So thank you.
Yeah, for sure. Very happy to help.